babiri nibahaye ibyarigiro mu bigezo b'ikibina cya Mushanju ibimwaka gw'Enkumi 2024 urubukuru w'Ibigwegeso mu district ya Bushenyi Williams ahabwe yanagirize bakuru b'amashomero ukwetantaro kw'ibibuzo kureka bakora umurimo gwabo iki kizereho bwa nyuma y'ishomero rya Katunga Primary School rukushanga mu district ejo ukubara kutunga ibyarigiro mu bibuzo ubara kuritekatekaho ukubyiba
at the end of the day. If you don't teach, it means you are preparing for cheating. And as you are aware, we have suspects now. And there is one school suspected. Results are not released. We have the head teacher who is on interaction because of.
They are still suspected or suspects. We can't say they cheated, but they are saying they are suspected to have cheated. When they go there, they will defend themselves. If they find they have no problem, it's okay, they will release their results. But if they find them culpable, then they will face it.
Mbigambo bye Michael Matiji uri muramuzi mukuru w'amashomero mu district eji ashoboreye uko abeji bakoze mu district niyemo.
We got males 125 and females 148, giving us a total of 923. That was grade 1. As they have told you, we declined somehow. The other year, 2023, we had 946. And the percentage was at 20, we are now at 18.5%.
Muringo Ngogumwe Fiona Sanyu urubukuru w'abakozi mu district ya Bushenyi harabwira abo bona abatuye mu mashomero gatarga mwe na gamwe ka government okukora ninga bakari kuremeramo.
Every staff that has been transferred, you must report where you have taken it. Whether you get me one along the way, you must go and report. For a teacher, I want to first receive the letter of assumption of duty where I sent you. If you want me to reconsider your transfer, now share with the new boss or head teacher your concerns, then you write to that other head teacher where I have sent you.
Sanyu ayuzire yagambira abakuru b'amashomero kurebeka ngo batamama no mu nkora yateriweho ministry y'Ibigwegeso mu ihanga okurwana sokwosha kw'abashomesa.
So if they can tell me to answer why there is not working,
umwe ahari bakuru b'amashomero kandi uwishomero rya kirege buzo ibikibina cyamshaje by'umwaka ugwere ayirubhabuzo bwaheire bagenzi
abashomesa abazire abeji hamwe na n'obuciko kwatanisa kandi tukakora cyo kutwikirizangana abo kuba abashomesa nibongera amani go kurenga hagaburijo abaziri babakwatiramo bajya kandi kuba bongeramo
bakuraga gashakwa Olivia na Sasra aba Sky TV ya Genshonga mu Bushenyi.